Hi everyone, welcome to the STAT programming. Today I'm talking about how to complete Analysis Data Reviews Guide or ADRG. ADRG is a really important or essential component for the electronic dataset submission to FDA or PMDA. So ADRG is really important. So today I will give you a really good resources that show you how to complete ADRG. So first you go to this website and click it, and this is the resource developed by Fuse. And if you click it, here is the completion guidelines. As you can see, this is the table of content for each part of the ADRG. This is the overview, and then for each section of the ADRG, this guide has a really complete instruction how you can um, complete for each section what you need to write, what need to include. So it's really a good example. Okay, hope you enjoying this one.